This is outside of Titan Foods on 31st Street. Used to be the only place around you could get the fancy Greek yogurt. And I forgot about this one. I don't remember this ever having a phone, but it certainly did at some point. But it's looked like this for years. And this is another one that I've neglected to include in the discussion just because you get so used to seeing it, you forget it's there. When I get home, I'm going to look up this location and see if it's listed on my website. I wouldn't know who owned this one or if it was TCC Teleplex, Telebeam, East Harlem, any number of possibilities.